Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Mobile Mining and Trading. I am Dixon, and let me give you a quick real-time update after my tireless research to give you the finest. Before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on golden opportunities like this one. Your support means the world to me. Today we're talking about a project that's aiming to revolutionize social media as we know it, Tikcoin. Imagine a social network that actually rewards you for your time and engagement. That's the core idea behind the TIK network. They're combining social networking with blockchain technology to create a platform where your voice matters and your activity earns you real rewards in the form of Tikcoin. I've just found an incredible way for us to boost our earnings together. If you join me on Tikcoin, we both benefit. The more active partners we have, the higher our rewards become. I've dropped my personal referral link and code in the description below. It's super easy to get started. Just go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, download the Tikcoin app, and during registration, make sure you copy and paste my invitation code GRPLF3WX5LA. That's GRP-LF3WX5LA. Using this code helps us both climb the ranks faster. So why should you choose Tikcoin? Well, it's built on three powerful pillars: decentralization, transparency, and participation. First, decentralization. This means no single company or authority controls your content or your rewards. Your data belongs to you, not to some massive corporation. It's about taking back control. Second is transparency. The token distribution is designed to be clear and fair. Every single transaction is recorded on the blockchain so anyone can verify it. No more shady algorithms or hidden rules. What you see is what you get, and that's a huge step forward for social platforms. And third, participation. This is where it gets really exciting. Active users earn more. Your engagement, every post, comment, like, and even your daily login directly translates into Tikcoin rewards through their social mining system. The more you interact and contribute to the community, the more you earn. It's that simple. Now let's talk about the utility of the Tikcoin token itself. This isn't just some random digital coin, it has a real purpose within the ecosystem. As I mentioned, you earn Tikcoins through your daily activity. But what can you do with them? You'll be able to use your Tikcoins to unlock premium features, boost your posts to get more visibility, and stand out in the network. And looking ahead to 2026, the plan is to allow you to trade Tikcoins on exchanges or even use them to directly support your favorite creators on the platform. This creates a self-sustaining economy powered by the community. If you're finding this information valuable, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you these updates. And if you have any questions so far, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Let's get into the tokenomics, which is crucial for any crypto project. The team has designed a fair distribution model focused on community growth. The maximum supply is capped at 777,777 Tikcoins. A massive 80% of this supply is allocated for community mining. This is huge. It means the vast majority of tokens are reserved for the users, the people who actually build the network. The remaining distribution is 8% for the team and development, 5% for partnerships, 5% for marketing, and a final 2% for a reserve fund. This structure shows a clear commitment to putting the community first. Now for the roadmap, which is packed with exciting milestones. The project began back in 2022 with research and planning. From 2023 to 2024, they focused on core development, building the platform's architecture, and integrating the blockchain. By the third quarter of 2025, they've already hit impressive community growth, with over 300,000 verified users focusing on quality over quantity to build a spam-free, engaged community. Things really start heating up in the fourth quarter of 2025. They're integrating an advanced AI into the network, launching their first test node and test chain to begin blockchain testing and starting KYC verification tests with a focus on privacy. This is also when the TikApps era begins, allowing partners to launch their own AI-powered apps, games, and tools within the Tik network, all monetized with Tikcoin. They'll even allow partners to create their own custom coins. Also in Q4 2025, they're introducing the Tik Trust Score system, a revolutionary way to measure user contribution. A higher score means more mining power, a true merit-based reward system. And to top it off, they're launching a global competition with country-based rankings and mining battles. Which nation will dominate? I can't wait to see. Looking forward to early 2026, top partners will become verified creator nodes, helping to validate the network and strengthen its decentralization. And then, the big one, the mainnet launch in the first quarter of 2026. This is when Tikcoin will go live with full functionality and pursue listings on major exchanges. Beyond that, the vision expands into a complete Web3 ecosystem with NFTs, a native blockchain, and DEX integration. Their vision is clear: to build a better internet that empowers people instead of exploiting them. The team is passionate about creating a social platform that rewards users fairly by combining the best of social media with blockchain. They are focused on innovation, community, and security. To stay updated, you can subscribe to their newsletter directly on their website for the latest news. Again, all the links you need, including my referral code, are in the description. Don't miss your chance to be an early part of this potential revolution in social networking. Download the app, use my code GRPLF3WX5LA, and let's start earning together. Thank you so much for watching and for your incredible support. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so we can continue this journey together. If you have any questions, please comment below. This is Dixon, signing off. I'll catch you in the next video.